The sun does set each evening, leaving us in complete darkness, and in that absolute black, we have learned to decorate our lives with thousands of man-made lights. Cities that are absolutely romantic at night are interesting, precisely because after day jobs, classes, and daily life activities, the evenings are a welcoming time. It is during evenings that you can really kick back and have a nice time. When the sun goes down and the city lights begin to sparkle, go out under the open sky and enjoy the night. So in next few minutes, we're gonna discover and list some cities whose nightlife can be your future travel destinations. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. Number 1. Tokyo, Japan. A dazzling city of wonders, Tokyo is what you want when the sun goes down. The city adores a million lights at night, and it is definitely an experience to embark on. From shocking foods to Tokyo, nightlife has it all. You are in for a treat here at night as people come out in groups to take advantages of numerous attractions. Eating and shopping are the two most important activities to do when in Tokyo at night. Number 2. Paris. Representing the most perfect destination for the travel world, Paris is yet another impressive city at night. But its attraction is a little different from your regular cities, because here we want to focus your attention at night walks in Paris. The Seine River plays host to numerous lovebirds and people from all quarters of life who like to walk and enjoy the evening. So one of the best things to do in Paris is to take a walk along the beautiful river. Number 3. Amsterdam. The city of all things wild and happening is the perfect place for night owl. This is for those of you who are sociable by nature and like to party. Amsterdam is a beautiful city, and at night its gorgeous increase tenfold. There are numerous late night caves and much more explored here in Amsterdam. Number 4. Bangkok. Chill out at a night market. Try night market or one of the most popular night market for locals. Not only do they sell good and relatively cheap products, but they have some delightful foods, desserts and drinks. We are not stating the obvious here, even though you have that option, but we mean to point you towards shopping in Bangkok night markets. One of the best places to shop at night, Bangkok has some of the best places to explore at nights. Besides shopping, you can also explore street foods for Bangkok. Number 5. Hoi An, Vietnam. An exciting destination for backpackers, Hoi An is wonderful by all means. It presents itself although history, while at the same time presenting its modern side to its tourists. The face of modern Vietnam, Hoi An is where you can get great Vietnam food, making it a heaven for those who are traveling on a budget. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay with us to discover more interesting facts about this world. Please drop a comment which is your favorite dream city to travel. And that's it for today. Bye bye, take care, and you guys have a great day.